Good evening, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and this is my last little hamburger. This recipe that I used is my mother's recipe, and so I guess she would be great grandma. And this is where you turn about a half a pound or better into 1.5 pounds of hamburgers. So this is cooking on the second side, and this on top of it is everything bagel. So I have to basically wait until this is done before I can sit down to eat. That's what it looks like. Kind of well done on one side, but that's okay because I want it to be done on the inside. Well, if we go over here, this is my spread, Saturday night's dinner. This is, I didn't have any hamburger buns that were big enough for this hamburger. So this is, I used whole wheat bread. And these are oven fries, less oil. And they were done in, actually air fried. They were done in my Ninja oven. So these are actually air fried with just a little bit, maybe 2 teaspoons of oil that I kind of mixed in with the bowl. And then these are homemade fries. And then this is a nice little salad with a wine vinaigrette dressing. And I have my mayonnaise and mustard. And the tomato is there, and the lettuce, and that's on top of it. So I'm going to put that together. And that's, okay. That little 0.66 ounces of hamburger made not 4, but 5. Grandma, you know what you were doing. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.